Alright everybody, welcome back. Forex Market Analytics. Guys, we got the dollar Canadian in a very interesting situation right now. This is what we call, a short-term type of trading opportunity, right? We're tracking the short-term cycle. So it's all about the daily chart, but it's all about what happened here over the last few days. Now, I want to refer you to this particular key level system, the blue one, right? You see the levels here, 37, 39 at the bottom, 40, 03 at the top, right? This is the formation. The formation itself actually comes from the 4-hour chart. That's where it stems from. Take a look. We had 2, 3, right? The third leg, just appreciate the move all the way to the very last level, 37.40. Nice touchdown here, and then turning around for a coast-to-coast move, guys, from the very bottom to the very top, and then touching really nicely here. Take a look at these spikes, so right off that 40.03 level. So yeah, so when we noticed that, right, we noticed price kind of bouncing off that 40.03 level. We thought, there you go, we have an interesting opportunity here. We have an interesting situation where we could easily catch another downside leg. In this case, right, it's all back and forth here ever since that, that formation started to, to build itself. But we think prices at this point will have that downside reversal, and it's gonna head straight to 39.19. 39.19 is going to be an important test level. If price can break through, then we feel pretty confident that it's going to close the move, right? It's going to fulfill that move all the way to 38.24. That's the safest spot we can talk about. So obviously we're talking about a relatively kind of short move, right? Just 140, 150 pip, which is nice. I mean, we're still going to activate this on our short-term portfolio. So yeah, so that's pretty much the situation. I want to show you the stop loss level. We've placed it at 41.50, right? A little bit far, definitely a little bit far. That's because of the period, the time period we're in right now, right? Everything is so volatile, right? The market is so, is so edgy, so bumpy. So yeah, high volatility. We just stretch our stop loss level a little bit further to reflect these times. But eventually, when price begin, and it actually seems to be turning around, if we'll continue to push downwards, we will begin to adjust the stop loss level accordingly. All right, guys. So there you go. Aiming at 38.24. We feel that the Dow Canadian is up for a bit of a downside reversal, at least for for a short term, from the short term perspective. So yeah, we'll be back soon to follow up on the situation. That's about that for today. We will be back tomorrow, so we'll see you then. Bye bye.